Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to give you my review of Blaster Sweet's Thumbnail Blaster. As you can see, I'm logged in. Like always, if I'm giving you a review, it's because I actually own the product and I use it. And as you can see, I've made lots and lots of thumbnails here. So how does it work? Well, you log in, and then you have a choice. You can click from video link, so you would link your YouTube account to this, and you can go in, and if there's a video that hasn't really been converting and you want a new thumbnail, you can just click on here, put it on yes, and then you would be able to use this video. Click here. He gives you a tutorial every single time. Now, here's what the magic is. He's got tons and tons of templates, so you can choose what you want to use here, or you can start from scratch. Let's see. Let's use template for this one.
Now, as you can see, when using thumbnail blaster,
what I'm going to do here, this was about a soup takeout Orlando. And then you can change this, delete, go to image, and we can go to Pixabay, which gives you free images that you can use. And let's type in soup, see what they have here. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Does that look good? Maybe not. There's too much stuff in the background, but we can keep looking. And just keep going until we find something that we like, that suits us. Like this, maybe. Okay, got that there. And we can take this color here and change it to black. Maybe make it blend a little bit more. Go back here, I change that one to black. And so now it looks so much better. Now this over here, I'm going to change it to the same black. So that everything just blends. Now I wish this was the same color, but it's not. But you see how easy this is to use? And let's see what is that. There we go. Alright, so then you go save and continue.
alright,
And then if it's the way you want, and right now it's not, I can go back, I can edit it, just go to previous.
now as you can see,
I can bring this over here so it fits in the frame. Save and continue. That looks okay, and then I would publish it. And when I publish it, it's going to publish to this YouTube video, and it will automatically update it. Let me try to save and update. Okay, I just have to check my YouTube channel, but I'm not going to do that now. I just want to show you how easy this is to use. Now let's say you want to start from scratch, and you wanted to create a thumbnail for a brand new video, okay? We're going to go to Thumbnail Creator.
on this page, you will need to select the...
And you can go Start with No Video.
On this page, you
can type in the word here. Let's food, diet, clickbait, weight loss. Let's look at the weight loss ones. As you can see, you've got tons of different things that you can use. And you can click in here, use template.
Now, as you can see, if
I didn't like any of this, it can be changed. Another thing I will show you is under shapes, there's something called basic shapes. Oh wait, that's not the one I wanted. Under shapes. There. Oh, here it is. Cutouts. That's what I want to show you. See, they've got different cutouts of people that you can use in case you don't like the image they have. This is already cut out for you. You can just click on it and put it into this template and save it. And then if this was new and you just wanted to bring it with you and then upload it later, you could just save as JPEG and you'd have it and you can upload it later. So that's how easy this software is to use. I use it all the time. I hope that was helpful. If you want it, please click on the link below. Bye.